Good morning, children. Our first chapter is shapes. In this chapter, I will learn about basic flat and solid figures, corners and sides of objects, figures, outlines of the bases of the objects. The concept 1, understand spatial words. Bantia has a glass, a book, a die, and a birthday hat. He drew the outlines of their bases. He has three shapes as shown. Do you know what these shapes are called? These shapes are called solid shapes. What are these called? Solid shapes. Look at the position of the cat with respect to the ball in these pictures. Cat is on the ball, cat is under the ball, cat is above the ball, cat is below the ball, cat is near the ball, and cat is far from the ball. Look at the picture below. The mouse, the cat, and the woolen ball are on a line. The cat is in front of the ball, the cat is behind the ball, the cat is inside the ball, the cat is outside the ball. The mouse is before the cat is between the mouse and the woolen ball. The woolen ball is after the cat. So these are the positions we learned in this chapter. Let us recall the concept of position. Choose the correct word to fill the blanks. One is done for you. The jug is on the table. The ball is dash the box. Inside the box. The butterfly is dash the dog. Above the dog. The cat is dash the table. Under the table. The dog is dash the table. Far away from the table. The teddy bear is dash the jug. In front of the jug. So let us learn about shapes through an example. Figures such as triangle, square, rectangle and circle are called flat figures. Join the dots in order and name the shapes formed. See, the first A figure, the three lines are there. It is a triangle. The B figure, four are there. It is a square. In the C, also four are there. It is a rectangle. D is a circle. So, A triangle, B square, C rectangle, D circle. Let us learn more about flat figures. See, flat figure, first one is triangle. A triangle has three corners and three sides. A square also has four equal sides with four corners. In rectangle, the two opposite sides are equal. Rectangle also has four sides and four corners. Objects such as cube, cuboid, cone and sphere are called solid objects. This figure drawn using straight or curved lines are called solid figures. Observe the solid figures shown here. Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. Some objects are given here. Draw and name the outlines of their bases. First one is water bottle. Its outline of the water bottle is circle. Second one is sandwich. The outline of the sandwich is triangle. Third one is eraser. The outline of the eraser is rectangle. Fourth is a cone. The outline of a cone is circle. Fifth one is a cube box. The outline of the cube box is square. So these are the things we learned. Let us come to the workbook. In figure A, the cap is dash the penguin near the penguin. In figure B, the penguin is dash the cap on the cap. The figure C, the penguin is sitting in front of the cap. A triangle has dash sides, four sides. A triangle has four sides. A dash has four corners. Rectangle and square, both the rectangle and square have four corners. A blackboard has dash corners, four corners. Fill in the blanks. A square has four equal sides. A circle has zero corners. Diamond has four sides. Very short answer questions. Name a shape that has four corners and four equal sides. The four corners and four equal sides will be equal in square. Name a shape that is round. It is circle. Name a shape whose opposite sides are equal. Rectangle. The rectangle opposite sides are equal. Short answers. Look at the picture and complete the table. In the picture, he gave the shapes and number of shapes you have to write. Triangle. How many triangles are there? 1 and 2. Circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rectangle. 1, 2 and 3. 3 rectangles, 6 squares, 8 circles and 2 triangles are there. Name any 4 flat figures. Flat figures are triangle, square, rectangle and circle. Draw the base of sharpener. Its base is rectangle. Draw the bases of the given objects. Name the shapes formed. The outline of a drum is circle. The outline of a chocolate is rectangle. So it is circle and rectangle. Identify the shapes of the following objects. A. Cube. B. Cylinder. C. Cuboid. D. Sphere. Circle the shapes and write its numbers. Cube. How many cubes are there in the first box? 3. Cylinder. How many cylinders are there? 2. Sphere. How many spheres are there? 4. So these are the things in chapter 1. Thank you.